Welcome back everyone to the channel. In this session I'll be explaining how you can create Power Canvas app using Excel as a data source. So there could be many cases where users still want to use Excel as a data source instead of migrating the data to some new platform like SharePoint or in CDS. So how we can give users capability of creating their own Canvas app, which can allow users to enter or modify data as in with a good UI user experience. So for that option we can create an app with Excel as a data source. So I've opened that make.powerapps.com, and on the home page itself you can see there is an option where I can select Excel Online as a data source. So I'm just clicking on it. So it gives me option to connect from OneDrive, from SharePoint, and even I can add some other options so which are available. So I can keep my Excel file somewhere else as well and make a connection. But for now I'll be just using the OneDrive. So you can choose OneDrive, and before doing that I'll show you what my Excel has the data, what kind of data is there. So my Excel has just pretty standard employee data: first name, last name, title, email, manager, city and country. So you can select the entire data and then click on format table. So you can define the format, and as well as in the table design you need to specify the table name for it, so that the table name can be read while creating that Power Canvas app. So I have given a name this table to employees, and just closing that down and going back to source connections. So I have selected OneDrive as a connection, and you can see it has started showing up that file for me. I can select that file and it automatically picked that table name from that Excel file. I can choose that employees and make a connection. So now you can see I've already got one gallery where it has automatically binded my few of the stuffs with that gallery. So if I select that browse gallery in left hand side, it will give me that selected control. So but the fields which are being showing is not what I require or what I would like to show. So how I can work with these, how I can change the layout of these fields and the title and the fields which are being displayed, is that just select that gallery title and click on fields. It will give you the fields which are coming there. So you, in title 1, which is the main title, you can choose that as let's say first name, and in subtitle I may choose the email address, and in body I may start showing the city. So it got changed, so you can see it has started showing the first name, email address and the city. But how to change that first name or this title 1 field to have that I mean like the last name as well. So you can use the function concatenate, which will take arguments and I can pass a space, and I can again type in this dot item dot, then it will start giving me all the fields which are there in my Excel file. So I can choose the last name, pretty much there. So now I'm having first name space comma last name. So you can work with the some adjustment to it, so that you can show your desired data. So if I just run this one, so you can see if I click on the arrow, it started giving me the details. I can remove it and it would be all real time. So let's say if I just added this item and I would like to change the country of this person, let's say to Canada, and let's say I would like to change the manager name, just changing it to Jacobson and clicking right. So it's now saving the data within my Excel data source. So I'll just go back. So if you still see I can go back to my OneDrive and then can open that Excel file. So I should see the updated data. So now you can see the changes, the Canada and the manager name change has been saved to that Excel file back. So everything is real time. So that's a pretty much quick demo how you can just integrate your stuff, your Excel stuff with the Power Canvas app. So if you would like to change the layout of your forms, then you may do that as well. So for example, in edit screen, you may would like to just select and change the layout of edit form, and with that layout you can choose and make it work like the 3 column or a 2 column. And if you just save it, it will start saving your changes, and at the runtime you can you can specify what column, what background color, what theme should your form should having. So it could be a nice way of handing over this app to your customer or your users who can directly update their records, and then at the backend Excel files would be getting updated at the same time. So I hope this could be useful for you in your day-to-day work. So if you like the video, please drop a comment and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.